Good afternoon, everyone. Let me explain about function. Hashtag include less than stdio.h greater than. Int w plus, open parenthesis, int a, comma, int b, close parenthesis, and then opening brace. Int c, semicolon, c equals a plus b, semicolon, return, open parenthesis, c close parenthesis, semicolon, and then closing brace. Int main, open and close parenthesis, opening brace, int x, comma, y, comma, z, semicolon, x equals 3, semicolon, y equals 2, semicolon, int c, semicolon, c equals 2, semicolon, z equals w plus, open parenthesis, x, comma, y, and then close parenthesis, semicolon. Printf, open parenthesis, double quotation mark, hello, percent symbol, d, backlash n, double quotation mark, comma, z, and close parenthesis, semicolon. Printf, open parenthesis, double quotation mark, c equals percent symbol, leave backlash n, double quotation mark, comma, c, and then close parenthesis, semicolon, return 0, semicolon, and then closing brace. What are functions? In programming, a function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Every C program has at least one function, which is main, open and close parentheses. And all the most complex tasks are done using functions. You can also create your own functions known as user-defined functions. What are they for? Functions are used to break down the program into smaller, manageable parts. They make the code more organized, readable, and reusable. By using function, you can avoid rewriting the same code and promote usability. How to declare a function? By including the return data type, function name, parentheses, arguments, function block, and return. A function declared in C consists of the following parts. Number one is return data type, the data type of the value the function return if it returns anything. For example, int, float, and void, etc. Function name, the name of the function. Parentheses, enclosing the parameters, if any, passed to the function. Arguments, input to the function, if any. Function block, the set of statements to be executed when the function is called. Return statement, if the function returns a value, it must have a return statement with the return type matching the declared return type. Example, int add number, open parenthesis, int a, comma, int b, close parenthesis, and then opening brace. return A plus B semicolon and then closing brace. How to call or use a function. To call a function, use the function name followed by parentheses containing the required arguments. If the function returns a value, it can be assigned to the variable or used directly in an expression. For example, int sum equals add numbers, open parentheses 3, comma 4, closing parentheses, and then comma, semicolon. Number 5, what are the libraries and some example of your favorite include? Libraries in C are collections of precompiled function and definition that are stored in a file. They provide ready-made functions that can be used in your program. Examples of commonly used C libraries include, for example, is stdio.h. It is for input and output functions like printf and scanf. The next is stlive.h. It is for function involving memory allocation, process, control and conversions, and others. The next is math.h. It is for mathematical functions like sin, cos, and square root, and more. There are some functions aspect for working with functions and libraries in C programming. Understanding this concept is crucial for writing efficient and well structured C programs.